Croeso i'r sioe sy'n gaddu'r Nadolig. Croeso i'r sioe sy'n gaddu'r Nadolig. Croeso i'r sioe sy'n gaddu'r Nadolig. Croeso i'r sioe sy'n Croeso i'r sioe sy'n gaddu'r Nadolig. Croeso i'r sioe.
Yn y blynyddoedd hynny, roedd pob Nadolig yn debyg i'w gilydd. Dwi'n methu cofio wnaeth ei fod y wela am 6 diwrnod a 6 noson pryd i'n 12. Ei bod o eis am 12 diwrnod a 12 noson am 6. Mae pob Nadolig yn llwio i lawr tuag at y môr dau dafod. I mewn am llaw i belen wlân wen y gwyliau. Y pwy i ddaw allan oedd Mrs Prothero a'r dynion tân. One Christmas very much like another in those years. I can never remember whether it snowed for 6 days and 6 nights when I was 12, or snowed for 12 days and 12 nights when I was 6. All the Christmases rolled down towards the two-tongued sea. In goes my hand in some white wool of holidays. Out comes Mrs Prothero and the fireman. Roedd hi wastad yn bwyd o eila adeg y Nadolig. Rylhaw glas o Nadolig roedd hi, a minnau'n a Mrs Prothero yn aros i gathod gyda Elsa, ond ni ddoi'r cathod call. It was always snowing at Christmas. It was the afternoon, the day of Christmas Eve, and I was in Mrs Prothero's garden waiting for Cat with Elsa. Why Cat never appeared?
Dadgu hela'r gofion ar y sofa. Adeg y Nadolig mae wastad yn bwrw eira. Dadgu hela'r gofion ar y sofa. Adeg y Nadolig mae wastad yn bwrw eira. Adeg y Nadolig mae wastad yn bwrw eira. Adeg y Nadolig mae wastad yn bwrw eira. Eira, 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 eira.
Fire! Fire! Another fine Christmas it is. Help! Help! No.
Ronnie the Heavily.
Ambulance.
I and the Joseph lick your tad.
Pan fydd galwad bris yn dod, mae Sam mor brydlon ag eriod. Byth yn methu rhoi heblaw, byth yn methu lleddfu'r braw. Mae'n achub pan fy'r bro
Rhywbeth i ddarllen. Pa, 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 para, pa. Hoffech chi rhywbeth i ddarllen. Pa, 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 para, pa. Hoffech chi rhywbeth i ddarllen.
Blynyddoedd ar flynyddoedd yn ôl, pan oeddwn yn fachgen, pan oedd bleiaid yng Nghymru a ardal liw Peisled Glanyn Goch yn sgibo heibio'r bryniau siap telynau ac roedd yn eira o hyd. Years and years ago was a boy when there were wolves in Wales and birds the colour red flannel petticoats whisked past the harp-shaped hills. It snowed and it snowed.
Pan mae'r bore eira yn y talus. Elsa!
What? Who named me?
Goes flying on the mountain tonight. It's not a footprint to be seen. Kill isolation, and it looks like a queen. The wind is howling like this swirling storm inside.
Hi, Mrs. Jones.
Heaven knows why.
Sorry.
Let them in, don't let them see.
Sorry.
The girl will always have to be. See you won't feel, don't let them know. And now they
Go.
let it go.
Yeah.
Can't hold it back anymore.
More.
Let it go.
Yeah.
Let it go.
Go. Do it.
Do
I still can't going to say the storm rage on. Never find me anyway.
Really?
And seems small. So I can show to me, get to me at all. It's time to see, time to test the breakthrough. And no wrong moves to me. I'm free. Let's go, let's go. Under the window sky, let's go. Let it go. You'll never see me cry. Stand in the day, the star rays on.
Oh.
A powerful free air to ground. Like a frozen goes all around. Like it's not you that never going back. Hands up, hands, let's go, like a break of dawn, let's go. But let's go is gone. Here stand the day, the story on. Never bother me anyway. Roedd na postman cyffredin oedden nhw yn hwff y gerdded a chwn ar y donig ar eira. Roedden nhw'n clocio ar y dysau a dyrnau gleision. They were postmen Just an ordinary postman found him walking and told on Christmas on the snow and knocked on the doors with blue knuckles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready?
Early in the morning, strolling, bed,
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
See ya!
Ja,
See ya!
jacze.
Sean Connery.
sydd yn y sach, anrhegion hen ffasiynol, dim cyfrifiadur, dim ffonau o teganau, o'r oes o'r blaen, anrhegion hen ffasiwn.
Mae yna bob amser wncws adeg yn y Nadolig, wncws yn trio sbwcio sigar newydd. Gan ei dal led braich i ffwrdd, yn ein rhoi nôl yn ei chegiau, y pesychu ac yna'n dal drachefn, fel pe baent yn aros ar sgwyldiad. They're always uncles at Christmas. Uncle tries the new cigars, holding them out at arm's length, and taking them to their mouths, coughing, then holding them out again as they went for the explosion.
Mae 'na bob amser o wncws, amser y Nadolig. Bob amser o wncws, amser y Nadolig. Mae 'na bob amser o wncws, amser y Nadolig. Bob amser o wncws, bob amser o wncws.
Ac ambell fodled fach, nad oedd ei hangen yn y gegin, yn lle arall yn eistedd ar ymyl ein safeilladair yn gefnsyth fregus fel pepain ofni torri fel hen gwpanau a soseli. And small ants, not wanted in the kitchen, nor anywhere else for that matter, sat on the very edges of their chairs, poised and brittle, afraid to break like faded cups and saucers.
Hey.
Iechyd
Da.
da. O'i fan hyn.
Mae yn oi. Oh,
Neis.
neis.
I ginio gawsom dwrci a ffwdyn flamllyd. For dinner, a turkey and blazing pudding.
Go!
No! Oh, yeah, right, go. Yay!
Oh!
Merry
Christmas. Oh, jeez!
Yes, again.
Oh, yes! Santa. Oh.
What's bad-tempered and goes with custard?
Why?
Dunno.
Dunno.
Apple crumble.
Okay,
Yes!
cheers!
Cheers.
Okay.
Cheers and
What do my mouse do in the daytime?
I don't know.
Mouse works. Cheers, guys! Happy New Year! Ho ho ho!
That's great, right?
Merry Christmas, guys!
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry
Christmas and a Happy New Year to you and your king. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Cheers, Gran.
Happy New Year. Ar ôl cinio, fe awn allan y byd gwyn ac yn y trwy yn fertwn ar y palmentydd cydd. After dinner, we go out with bright new boots squeaking into the white world, leaving huge deep footprints on the hidden pavements.
Actually, my hip is a big Emma. I think people would think that hippos were here.
Maybe it's your name, go hippo. What do you do with a hippo?
But then ni fel fel hyn. Ban, now we're taflu o gwmpas railings. I go like this, ban, for all the railings. What's railings?
What if you do if you see two hippos?
Dios gweledi hippo. What would you do if you saw a hippo?
Byddai'n cael sioc bach.
What was I gonna do? I thought I saw a hippo. Frozen.
Routine and hippo.
Probably keep it as a pet.
Tani.
Hip, 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 hippos and Nereida. Hip, 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 hippos, hippos and Nereida. Ma nhw'n gadael olion traed anferth dwbwn yn yr eira. Ma nhw'n gadael olion traed anferth dwbwn yn yr eira. Hip hip hippos, hip hip hippos.
Go. Yeah. Yes or no? Yes or no? Next. Yes.
Let's fight things in the snow.
Sure.
Mr. Daniel, an electrical spaniel. Mr. Daniel, an electrical spaniel. An electrical spaniel. My Mr. Daniel, an electrical spaniel.
Oh yeah, he is.
Electrical spaniel. My Mr. Daniel,
Of course he is.
an electrical spaniel.
And I draw those my face.
A chofiaf i ni fynd i dalu carolau unwaith Pan nad oedd ewyn o leiad I oleuo'r strydoedd ehedog. And I remember that we went singing carols once, was to the shaving of a moon to light the flying sweet.
Big Annie, what do we give them? Towel Norse?
Nah, Last Christmas. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Once again, I try to shine. I give myself something, but you say extra. I say, baby, do you recognize me? Well, it's faded, I never surprise me. Now I know what a fool I've been, but if you kiss me now, I know you fool me again. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
Ffenest fy soft. Allan ar y seiad yr eiliau myglyw dydd ddiwedd. Cyswyd, Wy'n ffenestri holl dau eraill ar y bryn a chlywed y music yn esgyn ohonynt. fel sethiau nos hir. Troes y gorau lawr yn isel a dringo I mewn i'r gwely. Sybrydais ychydig eiliau yn y tywyllwch clos cysgledig ac yna fe gysgais. Looking through my bedroom window, out into the moonlight and the unending smoke-coloured snow, I could see the lights in the windows of all the other houses on our hill and hear the music rising from the roof, the long and steadily falling night. I turned the gas down, I got into bed, some words to close and holy darkness, and then I slept.
Merry Christmas.
Susanna. Feliz Natal.
Merry Christmas.
Medico Sumasu. Happy Bobo.
Adelic Lawan.
Buon Natale.
Okay, guys.